You don't always need fancy words to make a girl laugh. Sometimes all it takes is the right look. See, your eyes say a lot. They can tease, they can challenge, they can say, I see you without saying a word. If you want to make her laugh, don't just talk. Use your face. Use your eyes like they're in on a joke you're not telling yet. It starts with timing. Imagine she says something funny or sarcastic. Instead of replying right away, just raise one eyebrow, give her that oh really look, hold it for a second, then smile. Not a full grin, just the kind of smile that says, you're trouble and I like it. Or maybe she's being a little dramatic on purpose, telling a wild story, you don't interrupt. You just give her that deadpan stare like, are you serious right now? With just enough exaggeration to let her know you're playing. She sees that expression and boom, she's laughing. Not because of what you said, but how you looked at her. That's the secret. You're not trying too hard. You're just being playful with your energy. A little smirk, a quick eyebrow raise, a sideways glance, those small expressions can speak louder than words. And when they're timed right, they're gold. It works best when you're relaxed, when you're not overthinking, when you're actually enjoying the moment. Because laughter happens when two people are in sync. And eye contact, that's the fastest way to get there. Now don't stare like a statue, that's creepy. Use your eyes like a conversation. Look away sometimes, then snap back with a funny expression. Make her feel like you're both in on some private joke, even if no one else around gets it. And here's the thing, when a girl laughs at your expressions, she's not just laughing at your face. She's laughing because she feels comfortable, because you're confident without being loud, because you're giving her space to be playful too. So yeah, making a girl laugh with your eyes, it's not about perfect lines, it's about reading the moment, letting your expressions talk, and knowing when to smile like you've got a secret you might tell her, or maybe not. Try it. Next time you're with her, say less. Look more. Let your face say what words can't. You'll be surprised how powerful one good eye impression can be.